everyone, I'm Alina.
I'm Alina.
Welcome to our twins channel. Today we are giving a makeover to my room. So as you see, it's really plain and grey, and today we will fix it. We will turn this corner into my gym cottagecore castle. Cottagecore room. We will have to hang some shelves. We will place my books and some of my dried flowers in the bottles to the shelves. We will make a gallery wall with some beautiful frames and posters. And really important thing to do will be finding a place for my mushroom hut. As you see, it's really big, but it has to be somewhere, right? So let's get started! The first thing that we need to do is to move this table to this wall, so I would make the gallery wall on this wall. Now I have my table in the right place, and I will have to move some of my stuff here. Then I want to put my microphone stand and like everything that I use for my recording of the songs. Maybe some supplies for booking and also for painting. I want to start with the stuff that I use for my song recordings. This organizer I'm using for my scrapbooking supplies. Let's fill it up. Here's the place for some stickers, some of my other stickers, some fall stick, tapes, some of my postcards, stickers, and my color pens. Sketchbook, and I will also place here my scrapbook. I've ordered some shells, so let's open them. Finish, and here the second one. Found some frames that I'm gonna put in my gallery wall. Posters, and I have some of my drawing. I have some dried flowers. So I want to put them in the frames, and I'm going to use pages of the books that were given for anybody. Cute. And I also have this one, this clock. So now we have our shelves on the wall. Want to put my books on the shelves? I will go with my beautiful golden fantasy books on this shelf, other books on this shelf. That's how it looks for now. and I want to put some shelves on the wall that's behind me. So I also have this organizer, and I'm gonna put it here because I'm keeping here all my highlighters and some of my stick notes, so it would be really convenient for me to read in my bed before going to sleep. Now that my two shelves here are ready, I want to put my beautiful clock with my hedgehog here, so like the wall would be full. So I still have some leftovers of my posters, and I'm gonna put it here. It will be the spot for my bracelets that I've got when we were watching the Airstream movie. That's the poster right here, and I want to keep dark fairy-tale-ish atmosphere on this wall, so I'm gonna put this picture. I'm gonna put these butterflies above my bed. My cute pillows on my bed. So my room is ready, and I'm absolutely happy about it because it's so beautiful. Now I have shelves and pillows on my bed, and my table is fully organized. Yeah, I can't wait to live in this room and have sleepovers with my sister. Now we will make a quick room tour of my room. So the first spot in my room is my bed, and I decided to go with pink and green colors. I have this beautiful throw blanket, which is really soft and cute, and I also have some pillows behind me, and I really love sleeping with them. Beautiful butterfly poster. And here's my favorite part of my room. I have all the beautiful stuff here. My books, my paintings, some pictures and the postcards, and my reading corner with my highlighters and sticky notes for books. Here I'm keeping all of my baskets for my photo shoots. And also my kerosene lamp. Here I have beautiful crown, some of my dried flowers, and my mushroom candle holder. Here we have more books and more dried flowers and some of the trinkets that I've been collecting for years. Chicken. More posters. Clock here with my photos. I want to go for vintage and cottagecore style in my room, so most of my posters are in this aesthetic. My table, another spot that I'm really loving. We have microphone stand and everything that I use to record my songs. You can check me on Spotify. I'm in a Flowerfield. My earrings, more dried flowers, my candle, lavender candle, 21 candles from my birthday, our birthday. Scrapbooking stuff. This is the moss. I made it myself. Mosses. My moss. I made it because I've seen lots of photos on Pinterest with really beautiful handmade mosses, and I had some leftovers of the fabric. So hat will be staying next to my closet. Here I have my closet of my favorite dresses, other favorite dress from my closet, and here I have my piano. We actually really love watching some room transformations on the YouTube or some cleaning videos, so we really hope that our video also inspired you to clean your room or to change something there. Most of the things that I'm having here actually didn't cost almost anything. Most of my frames are really old frames that my family members didn't need or were some of the presents from past. All the prints in my room were really cheap as well, and some of them I made myself. So like this one, for example, was painted by me. I really love some DIY decor, like for example, flowers behind me are picked by me. This bottle is the bottle from Milk, and I use it as a vase because it looks cute. You only need to tie a bow and it will be really beautiful. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!